Would you like to lose weight in 30 days, but you're sick of fad diets? Well, we've got a weight loss diet program that will help you lose weight in 30 days. So keep watching if you want to learn how to reach your weight loss goals without counting points or calories or going to annoying meetings. Hi everyone, I'm Michelle LeMay with the Wellness Connection, and today we're going to be talking about a subject that's on most people's minds all year round, but especially after the holidays, and that is weight loss. So to help us sift through all that nonsense that we get out there and to teach us some truth about health and weight loss, today we've got with us Dr. Mark LeMay.
Thanks for having me, Michelle, and thanks for everybody being here today. Hey, give us a thumbs up, a like, also subscribe to our channel if you like the content that we have, and then also turn on your notification bell to let you know that new things are coming out, because we have new things coming out every single week.
Yep, exactly. So back to our subject about weight loss. Dr. LeMay, I have to admit that I've been a little naughty in my eating habits lately.
Me too.
Yeah, and of course, I'm sure I'm not the only one that has been naughty, but I don't want to do a crazy diet that, says lose 21 pounds in 21 days, all that kind of stuff, because I want to hit my New Year's resolution this year, but I don't want to do it in a crazy way.
Yeah, and every year, Michelle, I see this because people, it's like the holidays really throw people off. So patients, including me, we want to feel better. We want to look good. We want to lose some weight. I mean, every year people, they're like, they gain weight. They feel bloated. They feel tired. I mean, all kinds of different things like that. So this is, they just want to, lose weight and feel better. So that's what we're going to be talking about today.
Yep. And, like I said, being naughty, I have gained a couple of unwanted pounds. So first of all, what would happen if we don't change anything that we're doing?
Well, if you don't change your bad habits, you're going to end up with literally all the major diseases that people have out there, because if you're consuming a lot of sugar, you're eating a lot of flour, and it doesn't matter if it's white flour, brown flour, whatever kind of flour, those things are not going to help you out real well. And then also a lot of bad man-made fats too. So what I try to get people to do is, stay away from those things, and because if you don't, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get all those major diseases like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, etc.
Yeah, and we don't want that to happen.
No, we don't want that to happen to you.
It's funny. It kind of reminds me of that children's book, the mouse book. If you give a mouse a cookie.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So if you give a mouse a cookie, well, this little mouse is going to want another cookie. And then I'm going to want a piece of pie. And, well, you can't have pie without ice cream on top. So, right?
So one thing just leads to another.
No.
Bad thing after another.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's just like, how do we stop these sugar cravings safely and get back to a healthy weight and just have a healthier lifestyle?
Yeah, and again, I'm glad you asked that, because that's really the key right here, because for everybody out there that's watching this, and I drew this out so you can kind of get an idea of what this is like. So what we're going to do here is going to show you, because again, what most people are craving when they want sugar, because sugar basically decreases your B vitamins in your body. Okay, so what you're looking for is your body wants B vitamins, and they taste sweet. So your body is actually seeking out B vitamins. But what you run into a lot of times is just plain old sugar. So white sugar has no B vitamins at all, and it actually takes B vitamins from you. So you eat more sugar because you want to get some B vitamins, but you're getting nothing from it. So it basically is like a vicious cycle. You eat more sugar, so you become more B vitamin deficient, and it just makes the whole thing worse. So that's not what you want to do. Because what happens is you store most of your B vitamins in your liver. That's just one of the things that the liver does, besides getting rid of toxins in your body. But again, today we have so many toxins out there. Right now, if you're eating a lot of processed foods, they have a lot of toxins and preservatives in them. And then, of course, the state of California, where we live, for 3-4 weeks, it was just like smoke everywhere. So that's a toxin, and most people don't realize it, but you've got that in you still too.
Right. Even if you can't see it around you, it's already gotten in you.
It's in. So that's stored here, your liver. And then if you're taking medications, and again, there's over 60,000 toxic chemicals in our environment. So
Yikes.
all of that stuff is all getting into the liver. So what we want to do is we want to do something that is, number one, going to get rid of more toxins out of us. Also,
just stop it, right?
Oh, yeah, stop that. So stop the toxins so we don't have that happening.
Right.
Then we want to use something that's also going to clean the liver out. And at the same time, too, it's going to restock your B vitamins in your liver, too. So that's why people are having cravings for sugar. You're looking for B vitamins, and that's the major problem that we're having for everybody today. They're looking, especially during the holidays, looking for the B vitamins, but what are you getting? Sugar.
It reminds me of that song, looking for B vitamins in all the wrong places.
Yes, that's exactly correct.
Right.
So, good example.
Well, yes, that just popped in my head. So Dr. LeMay, do you happen to know of any program that might take care of all that?
Yes, I do, Michelle. In fact, there is a great weight loss diet program that you can do that will accomplish that. I mean, and just kind of think of it as just like the different, we call it our Tri-Health-lon program. And again, it's like there's different legs of the program. So the first part is the 10-day program. That leg is to basically, the goal there is to decrease sugar cravings and balance your blood sugar. The 21-day portion of it is more of like, it's helping to restock your shelves and do a little bit of cleaning too at the same time. So cleaning that liver out, that'll really help. And then restocking your B vitamin stores. And then the last part is a 31-day part, which is basically like a type of ketogenic diet. That right there, so your body, pretty much what happens is it can really focus on weight loss, and it's ready to, get better when you do that kind of when you do that part of it, the 31-day part.
Yeah.
So that will really help you out there.
Well, I can't wait to start my program.
It is exciting, isn't it?
It is exciting. It's like, okay, we've all been naughty. we're looking to restart, reboot. We just I think instinctively know, but we don't want to do the same old because it doesn't work. It still gets us those results. So,
yeah, you're going to lose weight and you're going to restock your body, and that's what you want. Feel better.
Right, and these are programs that were created by doctors that have been proven over the years. We have a lot of patient testimonials that people can watch those videos that we will link in the description box below. So if you're not sure if you want to try this diet program, then watch those videos, see what other people just like you have done, and they've been extremely successful, right?
And successful, and also the number one is keeping their weight off, and again, feeling good and building lean muscle mass at the same time, which is good.
Yes, exactly. So watch those videos, and then when you're ready to lose some weight and start feeling better,
much better,
give our office a call. You'll probably get me. The number is 916-965-8171. So, Dr. LeMay, as always, thank you so much for joining us today and just taking the time to share your wisdom and your experience so that we can all live healthier and happier lives.
Well, you're welcome, Michelle, and thanks for everybody here coming and watching us here on the Wellness Connection. We'll see you next week.
Absolutely, everybody. You have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.
All right, bye-bye.